let's see who has a need to test all these elements. And for this, let's look at let's say the life cycle and the development process of a device. It starts in the labs of the device manufacturers in very early phases, where you deal with very early components in a lab environment. But sooner or later, it goes to doing the fine-tuning on the market-ready or close to market-ready device, when the device is nearly ready. And finally, once it's really done, it goes into conformance testing, which is an essential prerequisite to be able to launch a device in the markets. So that is typically done by specific test labs who run well-defined conformance test suits on the devices and check that everything is functioning in a proper way. When it goes into mass manufacturing, many device manufacturers also want to do some quality assurance of the manufacturing process. So they pick every device, every 10th device, every 100th device from the factory and want to do a check whether everything is really working properly when it comes from the factory. When you launch the device in a network of an operator, still many operators, in combination also with the device manufacturers, with the OEMs, do a lot of testing to ensure interoperability between devices and networks. Of course, you can buy each and every device from everywhere and just switch it on. That's possible. But as said, many operators really spend still quite a lot of effort to ensure that at least the well-known and the most popular devices really function properly in the network. And even eSIM devices, sooner or later, will break here and there, and they need to be repaired, and they will go into a repair center. And also there, you need to debug and analyze the problem and check that the problem has been fixed afterwards. And for this purpose, also you need to have the radio interface working. You need to have an eSIM and an eSIM profile supporting the radio interface, supporting the provisioning process to check all this. Without, you cannot do this. And that's done by many, many repair centers all over the world. So these are the different parties who have testing needs of devices along this process and the engineering cycle. So I hope this makes sense for you, and I guess many of you are from different parties along this chain and these different steps.